Fix Autoexec not working Counter-Strike 2. So first, you just have to go to your Steam application and then right-click CS2 and then select Browse Local Files from the Manage menu. Then a window will appear. All you have to do is to navigate through the folders here by selecting Game, CSGO, and CFG. Now try to find a file called autoexec.cfg, and if you can't find it, just make one. Next, right-click and choose New from the text document menu. Give it to the name or give it the name autoexec.cfg. Simply click Yes to continue when prompted to replace with a previous file. Any text editor, including the built-in notepad, can be used to open this file. Players can enter any terminal instructions they want to be executed automatically each time the game runs after it opens. Simply save your changes after you're finished. Then go to Steam and right-click CS2 to access the Properties menu. Scroll down to Launch Options within the General panel and enter plus exec autoexec.cfg at the beginning of the lengthy list of code if it isn't already there. The autoexec field will now load automatically each time CS2 launches. Players can manually start if it doesn't load automatically by opening Counter-Strike 2's console and using the console command exec autoexec.cfg. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.